Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei GT5 and Huawei GT4. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two watches come with 518 water grade. Display features. Both smartwatches come with an AMOLED display. Next compare the battery features. Both two smartwatches come with up to 14 days and 7 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. These smartwatches include Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and NFC. Next compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.